Court docs uncover outrageous public tension on examiners in George Floyd case. October 17, 2023. New court reports uncover the outrageous tension. Examiners looked in Hennepin District to charge Derek Chauvin and 3 other previous Minneapolis cops in the demise of George Floyd. A few lawyers went against charging the other 3 officials and pulled out from the case because of proficient and moral principles. Presently, many pages of sworn declaration of Hennepin District lawyers and other region workers that occurred this mid-year have been disclosed. The testimonies were directed corresponding to a claim reported by Amy Sweecy, who was one of the workplace's top examiners, against previous province lawyer Mike Freeman. Sweecy is suing in the wake of settling a case with the Minnesota branch of Common Liberties claiming that Freeman participated in sex segregation encounter in the workplace. Hennepin region consented to pay $190,000 to settle the division of Common Liberties guarantee. Freeman left office in January and Sweecy left the ongoing district lawyer's office in April. As per the new records, senior aid area lawyer Patrick Lofton, who chipped away at police utilization of force cases with Sweecy, said the connection among Sweecy and Freeman soured after Lofton and Sweecy pulled out from the officials' cases officially on June 3, 2020. Lofton made sense of the tension they were under to document charges. The Chauvin stuff is the impetus of this, Lofton expressed as per a record from his June 6 testimony. There was outrageous premium tension, yes. The city was burning to the ground, Lofton said. He made sense of that while he needed the case charged and accepted there was reasonable justification to charge Mr. Chauvin with third-degree murder. The strain from outside the workplace was crazy, and he had qualms about charging the other 3 police. In the days paving the way to Sweecy and Lofton pulling out from the case, Sweecy portrayed tense gatherings and calls. He, Freeman, was shouting at us. He found out if we had worked out bargains in state court with the other 3 officials. Obviously, we had not. He shouted, "What in blazes have they been doing the entire day?" To Andrew left that hour, previous boss representative region lawyer about Patrick and me, Sweecy expressed as per a record from her August 21st affidavit. During her statement, Sweecy likewise examined a noteworthy discussion she said she had the day after Floyd's demise when she asked Hennepin District Clinical Inspector Dr. Andrew Pastry Specialist about the post-mortem. He called me later in the day on that Tuesday and he let me know that there were no clinical discoveries that showed any injury to the crucial designs of Mr. Floyd's neck. There were no clinical signs of asphyxia or strangulation, Sweecy expressed as per the record. He told me, "Amy, what happens when the real truth doesn't coordinate with the public story that everybody's as of now settled on?" And afterward he said, "This is the sort of case that ends poorly."